tried to listen to SO-50 during a pass at 7:20 am IST UTC plus 5.5. As it was a near overhead pass with about 75 degrees maximum elevation, I was hopeful that I will be able to hear something. But it was quite cloudy with poor illumination here. Yet the satellite should be well above the clouds and well illuminated. Did not hear anything. Could be due to my limited setup being unable to pick up weak signals from the aging satellite. Another possibility is that it was coming from the night side of the globe and battery would not have had enough time to get charged by solar panels. There are also other reasons like no one else trying the same pass in this region and I had not tried the initial activation with 74.4 Hz tone. Blocking by nearby building on the eastern side is still another possibility. Moreover, my antenna was a fixed azimuth elevation Moxoniagi, though I did rotate it manually once during the pass. I had just tried a few calls with 67 Hz tone, hoping that someone else would have activated. No luck this time, though I have been able to have 1 or 2 contacts over the past 2 years.